The reason why the Materials Manufacturing Innovation Center position interested me was the opportunity to support industry in the United States. I had a long career working for a multinational materials company, and supporting manufacturing for one company is exciting. But the idea to support multiple industries and companies in the United States I found to be patriotic and a good match of my business and technical skills. A few years ago, Argonne decided to support manufacturing in the United States and created a manufacturing and science initiative, which led to a very large investment in the lab and refurbishing the materials engineering research facility. Another outcome was to create the Materials Manufacturing Innovation Center to support materials manufacturing in the United States. The Department of Energy supports high-risk programs in decarbonization and the hydrogen economy. The DOE funds early-stage research, but then also through their Office of Clean Energy Demonstration funds demonstration projects that help companies take the risk to make these investments in carbon reduction and the hydrogen economy. The lab has many capabilities to support industry in the materials and chemical processing space. The Materials Engineering Research Facility has benchtop to pilot scale capabilities, both in reactor technology and continuous flow synthesis. The Recell Center is investigating novel ways to recycle batteries, including reusing the materials directly. The lab also has capability with roll-to-roll technology, which is very exciting. Some of the projects are with novel battery materials and carbon capture and sequestration, and also utilization. Lots of membrane technology here at the lab for gas separations and materials purification. There are many ways that companies can collaborate with the lab. One of the easiest things to do is to join with us on a funding opportunity announcement. The DOE wants to know that the lab is investing in areas that industry cares about. And one of the ways to evaluate whether industry cares is whether they'll join our concept papers and proposals, especially with some in-kind cost share. A second method of collaboration would be direct funding some sponsored research. Small and medium manufacturing companies may not have access to the world-class people and facilities at scale that exist here at the lab. And so working together, we can support the small and medium companies with the technologies and skills that they might not be able to afford to have in residence. Argonne can work with large multinational companies by conducting directed sponsored research. So we have capabilities to keep information confidential. We develop data plans, and the company would own all of the intellectual property that comes as a result of the direct sponsored research. The Department of Energy realizes that some companies and industries don't have the wherewithal to take high-risk investments in clean energy. And so they work with the national labs to de-risk the technology and move them towards demonstration projects so that the companies can ultimately take the technology and skills that the lab has and get them deployed into the marketplace. I really enjoy coming to work at the lab every day because of the mix of technologies that's represented here at the lab, as well as the diverse cross-cultural workforce. We can all come together from different perspectives and different backgrounds to solve technical problems that are going to matter for U.S. manufacturing companies. Is very exciting. I'm Heckle, Director of the Materials Manufacturing Innovation Center here at Argonne National Laboratory.